Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem where you're in normal mode and the dryer is not heating on this LG dryer. It heats up in all other modes, but it does not heat up in the normal mode for the dryer. So I just push start. And currently it's in normal mode. If you can see the blinking of the knob there, that's the normal mode right there, the little light right at the normal spot. And then you see the energy saver in the upper left hand, light is on. I'm showing you the normal, and there's the light right there. So the dryer is not heating. You can hear that it's on, but it's not heating. Now I'll pause it, then I'll turn the power off. Turn the power back on. Turn it to normal mode again. Okay, now it's in normal mode. As you can see, I had a little problem dialing it up. And I turned off the energy saver. And I push start. Now I'm waiting to hear the noise so I can hear the dryer fire up. And there goes your noise right there. There's the heat. And all you have to do is turn the energy saver off to get your normal heat in normal mode. Once again, just turn off the energy saver and the normal mode will heat up after that. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.